All right, and welcome. Today we are going to be integrating Ether with Unity, and we're going to be doing that using nethereum. And the way that this works basically is the nethereum is an asset that has wrappers for the things that we need, such as checking balances and sending and receiving cryptocurrency. So in order to get this set up properly, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to head over to the site that I've dropped in below, and you're going to make sure that you have everything properly hooked up. And in order to do this, you're going to need Unity, you're going to need nethereum, and we are going to be using Infura because it's pretty simple and self-explanatory. So Infura, simply go to infura.io, register yourself an account. It is free, and create a new project. I would name that project whatever you're going to name your Unity project, but really it doesn't matter. This is just for test purposes. So I'm assuming you already have Unity if you found your way here. Nethereum is going to be the package we're going to be using, and you can download that from their GitHub. I'll include a link to this down below as well, and you're going to want to grab the nethereum.unity.zip there, okay? And there are a couple of files that you need to remove from there. That is all gone over in this quick introduction here, showing you where to install it, how to add it to your project, things like that. So super simple. Basically, you download it, unzip it, delete the two files, and then you can drag and drop all of that right into your assets in your Unity game. Once that's done, you're basically at the point that I'm at now, and that is ready to do some testing. So the first thing I did was I created a script. Now this ETH test script is not set up properly. We're going to be using the get balance script instead. Okay, so let's go in here and take a look at that. This is written basically word for word off of the code on that tutorial I gave you, except you'll see here I have a dummy account set up where I can grab my wallet. This is a wallet for my dummy, and I am running that on Ropsten. So it's an account created through MetaMask wallet, like I showed you in the last video. And basically we go here. Let's jump over here real quick. I don't want to bring that over here. Let's just grab a new tab, open up MetaMask here, and you can see this is, oh, that's my actual account. Let's go to the Ropsten test network. Okay, this is going to be where you create fake accounts, test accounts. This one is empty. You are going to need two of them. My other one does have some ETH in it. If you don't know how to do that, you're going to click buy and go to the faucet. And like I said, I showed you how to do that in my last video. So this is basically all set up. The only other thing you need is infura.io. As I said, go ahead, register here, get all signed in. I'm going to pop over to my dashboard, click Ethereum, and I have this project ether.io. And there have been 4 requests today. Those have all come from my Unity program, and they've all been in the last 20 minutes while I was testing to make sure everything still works. So once you're in here, if you go ahead and click settings, you can get some info that you need. Now, I really don't need to block any of this out. If you're doing this for an actual project, you don't want to be showing anybody these numbers, basically. The endpoints I have set up for this right now are on mainnet. I really want to use Ropsten, because that's where my test account is. When I go live with the game, I will change it back to mainnet, and I'll make a couple adjustments. Basically, we're going to take this right here. That is the site that we are routing through, and we're going to put that in right here. Okay. Again, all of this code is available on the practice page here. Let's make sure. Ethereum, yeah. Oh, I copied that. No, that's not what I want. Okay, so basically, we're going to go through this code routine here. This is a script that is just attached to this empty ethnet object, okay? There's also this eth test script. We're going to remove this component. Like I said, this is not working. That was my original test, and it did not work. So you see that there's nothing you can access here right now. Let's go to my get balance code, and we can actually do this. Let's do public string wallet. Okay, right now that's empty, but okay, so we can save that, and now basically I added a variable that I can just punch my wallet in. When it's done compiling, we'll do that. We're going to need to grab something first though, so let's get the wallet that we want to use. This one has 1.999 in it, so if I click on this, it'll copy my wallet address. And to get the balance, we only need the address. Anybody can pretty much check the balance of any address. We don't need the key. In order to send money from that account, we'll need a key, and we'll look at that in the next video. This one's let's see, so now it's all caught up. Ethnet, we want to put our wallet in here. Okay, now this will stay permanently, and we can run the program. Basically, it's going to load everything up, and then over here in the console where we're printing this out, it's going to give us our balance. Now 1.999 that's what shows up in MetaMask when we look at that account. So that is correct. So let's do this. Let's take this guy. Let's go to our other empty account. Okay, this has none in it. And oh, we need to grab that wallet. So open MetaMask, copy the wallet, and we'll paste that in here, and we'll run it again, and this time we should get 0 because there's no ETH in that wallet. Yep, here you go. So that's pretty quick and easy how to access from Unity your Ether wallet. So we are going to be using this process to send and receive in order to create in-app purchases for this game here, so stay tuned for that. It should be a pretty fun and interesting project, and if all goes well, we'll have a playable game up and running for people to purchase and trade objects. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful to you. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Leave me questions down below in the comments. I am always happy to work on new things. I do a lot of other tech stuff, 3D printing, coding, things like that on this channel, so definitely stick around. There's lots more to see, and hit that little bell icon. Make sure you don't miss any of those upcoming videos. That's going to be it for me, guys. Technivorous out.